How to become a Grab driver. Register as Grab driver. To register as Grab driver, first download the Grab driver application on your mobile phone and then simply open it up. Once you've done that, you can see the sign up or login with your Google account option. Select that. Now simply choose the Google account that you want to use for your Grab driver account. Now on the next page, we have to simply fill out the registration form as a driver. So to become a Grab driver, just enter your first name and then enter your last name. After you've done that, enter your mobile number, enter the city that you'd like to deliver in, and you can enter your referral code if you have. Agree to the terms and conditions, tap on next. After this, you'll be able to follow other on-screen prompts and instructions, and once you fill out your registration form along with your driver license and vehicle insurance, you'll be able to register and become a Grab driver. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.